2 premium travel cards, 1 head-to-head face-off. Which card truly takes your trips to the next level? On the left, the Capital One Venture X, known for premium travel and simple rewards. And on the right, the legendary Amex Platinum, famous for luxury perks and exclusive experiences. Let's skip the hype and dig into what really matters most for 2025 travelers. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which card stands at the top. The winner? It might just surprise you. So before we start this head-to-head, here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to look at. We've got annual fee, welcome bonus, earning rates, travel credits and perks, lounge access, hotel and car status, travel protections, and points transfer partners. All these matter, so let's figure out where each card really shines. First up, annual fee. So Capital One Venture X. Honestly, this one's way easier on your wallet. The annual fee is much lower. We're talking $395. That's almost half, sometimes even less than half of what others are charging. Sure, you don't get quite as many little statement credits, but for most people, saving $300 plus a year is a huge win, right? Amex Platinum, though, get ready for a big number. Their fee can run from $695 all the way to $895, depending on your offer. Yeah, it's wild. If you're obsessed with luxury, the fee might feel worth it because you get a laundry list of benefits. For most folks, Venture X just makes more sense cost-wise. So first blood goes to Venture X. Moving on, welcome bonus. Venture X offers you 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in 3 months, which is pretty solid for a $395 card. But Amex Platinum loves to go big. Sometimes you'll see up to 175,000 points if you spend $8,000 in 6 months. Problem is, those mega bonuses aren't always available to everyone, and the spend requirement is pretty steep. So Amex Platinum kind of wins this round, especially if you can grab one of those huge targeted offers. All right, let's talk earning rates. Venture X is just, well, easy. You get 10x on hotels and car rentals booked through Capital One Travel, 5x on flights, and honestly, here's the kicker, 2x on pretty much everything else. No headaches, just swipe and earn. Sure, you gotta book through their portal for those big multipliers, but 2x everywhere else is a huge plus for everyday use. Amex Platinum? It's more complicated. 5x on flights booked direct or via Amex Travel, 5x on prepaid hotels, but only 1x on most other stuff. If you're not booking travel all the time, it can feel kind of weak. So Venture X takes this round, especially for folks who want simple, solid earning. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Amex Platinum launched way back in 1984 and totally became a thing for luxury travelers? Venture X, meanwhile, is basically the new kid, only popping out in late 2021. So you've got classic status versus fresh features. Which one's more your vibe? Okay, travel credits and perks. Venture X gets you a $300 annual credit for Capital One Travel and 10,000 anniversary miles, plus global entry or TSA PreCheck. But heads up, those credits only apply if you use their travel portal. Amex Platinum, though, is almost a maze of statement credits. $200 airline fee, $200 hotel, $200 Uber, $240 digital entertainment, $155 Walmart Plus, $300 Equinox, $100 Saks. Like, did I miss any? It's a lot. But you gotta keep track and actually use them. Amex wins for sheer range, though it probably takes an Excel spreadsheet to keep up. Next, lounge access. Venture X gives you access to Capital One lounges, Priority Pass lounges, and Plaza Premium. And you can bring guests for free. Also, bonus, free authorized users until February 2026, which isn't always a thing. That said, their network's smaller. Now, with Amex Platinum, you get basically the golden ticket. Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, Plaza Premium, Escape, Priority Pass, all under their global lounge collection. Downside? Some places like Centurion and Delta have started guest fees and restrictions, but it's still the most extensive by far. Amex takes this round easily. All right, hotel and car status. Venture X is simple. Hertz President's Circle Elite status. Not bad. But Amex Platinum just hands out status left and right. Hilton Gold, Marriott Gold, Hertz, Avis, National. You just have to sign up for each. It's like collect them all. More work, sure, but service upgrades and perks wherever you stay or rent. Amex is the clear winner here. Travel protections. Venture X really stands out with primary rental car coverage. That's rare. Plus, trip delay, cancellation/interruption, lost luggage, and even cell phone protection. Only thing missing? Some of those extended warranty perks. Amex Platinum covers delay/cancellation/interruption, extended warranty, and car rental coverage, but it's secondary unless you're traveling outside the US. Honestly, Venture X edges Amex out here, especially if you rent cars a lot. Last category, points transfer partners. Venture X lets you transfer to more than 15 airlines and hotels, and sometimes those transfers are instant. Per mile value solid, but slightly less than Amex's points. Amex Platinum has a bigger list, 21 airlines, 3 hotels, and the value can be wild, 2 cents per point with top partners. Transfers aren't always instant, but if you're into maximizing, Amex almost always has the edge. So winner here is Amex Platinum. Let's lay out the overall scores. If you stack up the whole picture, Venture X absolutely takes it for value and card simplicity, especially on fee, rewards, and protections. Amex Platinum clearly brings the heat for luxury, lounges, and those endless credits. So the winner, if you care about day-to-day value, is Venture X. But Amex is its own beast for loyal luxury travelers. So, bottom line, go Venture X if you want a card that's easy to use, doesn't wreck your budget, and gives nice rewards for your normal spend. If you're chasing luxury, exclusive lounges, and all those fancy credits, and you're willing to keep up with them, Amex Platinum is the move. Both are great, but pick the one that actually fits your life. Dig in this comparison? Make sure you follow for more up-to-date travel card breakdowns for 2025. We'll keep you posted on the latest offers so you can snag the card that fits you best.